It is already 1:30 in the afternoon and I'm getting dinner in the crock pot. We are having Mississippi chicken. I am using frozen chicken breasts and I mixed together 3 tablespoons of the ranch dressing. You can use a packet and then a packet of yay juice gravy. I never say it right. So you mix those 2 together, sprinkle it over top. I'm gonna add butter and then some of these peppercini peppers and add it in there, and we are gonna cook it on low for 45 hours. It'll be ready for dinner. It might need to cook just a titch more, but so good. All right, so Jonah is bringing in a new vacuum that I got at Walmart. It's a cordless one. It'll probably suck, and I mean that in a bad way, like the other cheapo that I bought. But I wanted to give it a go. It's a Bissell. It's not sponsored. We will see if this thing works. It was cheap. Our Dyson, I don't know what is going on with it. I don't know if the charger's broken, but every time we charge it, it won't charge it. It stays on red. I would love to get a new one, but I'm not gonna go and spend the money right now. So hopefully when Black Friday comes, we can find a good deal. So we're gonna put this one together and see how it works. So, yeah. Let's see. Also, the house is so quiet right now. I was gonna go to the pool, we all were, with cousins, and Oma's like, hey, I'll just take Boston and Shaylee, because Jonah didn't want to go swimming, and because I was putting dinner in the crock pot, and she's like, I'll just take them, and I'm like, okay. So they're there, so it's quiet, so I'm just getting some stuff done. So, and it is another hot day, you guys. Oh, but guess what? We got grass, yay! We can't walk on it. Paige can't go on it yet. It's got to root and get in there really good, but it just looks so good to look out and not see dirt. So, yay, we got grass. Yay. You know how you bribe your children to do their chores? You hold off on the Wi-Fi password and computer passwords. They'll get their chores done. Okay, he's doing a good job. All right, I am just doing a bit of editing right now. I'm waiting for my vacuum to charge so I could do my daily vacuuming. So I am just sitting on my bed editing Monday's Motivational Monday for you. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Good job, Jonah. What? A deal's a deal? Deal is a deal. So I did tell Jonah that he was fine wearing his sneakers that way. I was just in shock. Jonah...
New trend started up. Let's go.
Well, a lot of them have said some of their kids do that with their Converse.
Their Crocs.
I don't know. But Jonah has his own style. And we let him embrace it. But I was a little shocked yesterday. I've got this whole like... like if you wear them like that too long, you're gonna like uneven the shoes. Do you get what I'm saying? Like you gotta break them in evenly. That's what I was thinking. So,
I have my trend. It's all good. I have my own thing.
You guys, I wasn't mad at him.
Smaller shorts with the long.
I told him he could wear his shoes however he wants. So, all right. A deal is a deal. Oh, what am I about to make? Bread. I am so excited. First time making bread in the new house. I can't wait to taste it, to smell it. I do have a recipe on how I make whole wheat bread. This isn't completely whole wheat bread. The grain that I have, I think like it's a mixture. It's not a full whole wheat. I can't remember. I have to ask my mother-in-law, but it's gonna be delicious. I can't wait. it could be hard white wheat. Oh, I don't remember, dang it. So I do have a video on how you can make this. The link is below. So I want some fresh bread for dinner. We have like an hour before dinner starts, so I'm gonna get going on this. I know, it's so hard to wait for fresh baked bread. Does it smell good already?
Oh, too bad you can't have bread. It's delicious, especially homemade bread. You say hi to your friends?
Yeah, hello. She is my shadow, you guys. Like, serious shadow. She's always with me. She's so sweet. All right, the bread is baking, and I'm about to take the release off the Instapot. I have rice. Dinner is done. I'm just going to make up a salad. Oh, that is beautiful. Dinner, we got jasmine rice, the Mississippi chicken, and salad. Oh, yum. Yum, look how good that is. Oh, yes. Ooh, one side butter and one side strawberry jam. You okay? What? You okay?